Hi, Sean Higgins here. So glad you're tuning in. Oh my goodness, I'm going to get right to this. You stick around to the end and I'll show you how to get unlimited amount of money for your rehabs on properties. Literally, it's going to change the way you're thinking about everything. So stick around. So let me explain the problem. The problem is you got to hit subscribe before we can move on. So hit subscribe. I almost forgot about that. And you guys are doing that a great job. We're getting just tons of traction on here. So hit the subscribe and the like. So what are we doing? How do we get so much money for these deals? So let me show you a deal. Okay, here's a property right here that I purchased for $37,000 in back taxes. I own it for $37,000. So let's fast forward. I got title on the property. Everything's good to go. I know what this property is going to look like. It's going to be a little rough. Okay, so I'm going to get somebody go in there, several people, to find out what it's going to take to rehab this property. Okay, so I've got the property. I own it. And then let's say somebody comes back and we're going to keep the numbers really even. Okay, let's say I paid 40, we're going to round it up. And let's say somebody wants to charge me, say, $70,000 to rehab this property. Okay, I don't want to make this the Taj Mahal. Okay, I made this comment to a contractor and he started laughing. I said, if I drive by the property and it's pink, I know that was on sale at Home Depot. He goes, I get you, okay? Clear as day. So I don't need fancy. I need it to be sold or rented. In this case, I want to sell this property because the fair market value after rehab, ARV, after rehab value is $215,000. Okay, so if I can keep that budget down there, I'm good to go. But I don't want to spend $70,000 of my own money. That doesn't make a lot of sense to me, okay? And I won't. So what I'll do is I get a bid at $70,000, okay? I'm good to go. What I go out is I hit what I call soft money or private money. All they need is 2 months bank statements. They already know me, so I've got this done. But for a brand new person, it's not a big deal. So 2 months bank statements, my driver's license, I put all that together. They see that the property's worth $215 rehabbed. I already own it. Free and clear. There's no liens against the property. So they've got a first position lien on a property for $70,000 that's going to be worth X number of dollars. They're going to want to know some history. They're going to know my contractor has done this before if I'm brand new. So they get the bid. Okay, this guy's done this before. He's licensed. He's good to go. Boom. They hit that money. They might charge me a couple points on that. They might charge me 9%. I don't care. Let's say at the end of the day, it cost me $5,000 for this money. I sell it for $215,000. You back out the $70,000 in rehab money that I had because 5,000 points and everything else like that. Okay, I got a ton of money. $250,000. Look at the math on that. I'm good to go. So that's how you can take $40,000. Remember, 37. We rounded it up. $40,000. All of a sudden, boom! I almost tripled that money on one deal. Use any of my own money but the $40,000 initially. Let me ask you a question. If all you did was one deal in 1 year, would this be worth a subscribe? And that's what you have to do. Listen, you got any questions? You know what to do. Hit the comments. A lot of you are going directly to my Sean360.com. Go there, go here, go wherever you want to go. I'm everywhere. All right, Sean Higgins saying God bless, good luck. Thank you.